Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a vehicle from your Uber driver app. To remove a vehicle, you'll need to contact Uber support. Open any browser and go to help.uber.com. At the top, click on the option that says Driving and Delivering. Next, choose the section called Account and App. Now, scroll through the list of topics. Look for one labeled Remove Vehicle. If you don't see it, no problem. Just scroll down and select Contact Support. Here, provide your details like your account name, the phone number linked to your account, and choose Other if asked for a category. Then explain that you want to remove a vehicle from your Uber driver account. Once you've filled everything out, click Submit. Uber support will review your request and reach out to you. Keep an eye on your email or text messages for updates. So yeah, the only way to remove a vehicle from your Uber driver app is by contacting support through the help site and submitting a request. And that's it. That's how you remove a vehicle from your Uber driver app. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.